In spot trading, you are using your own money to buy assets. You own these assets after purchase until you are ready to sell them. Firstly, you go to trade icon at the bottom of the screen. The highlighted figures is the current market price of the asset you want to trade, in this case Bitcoin. One of the ways to spot trade is straight up conversion. You basically exchange one cryptocurrency for another. The toggle button is to cycle between what assets you want to convert to another. The asset at the top is what you will be converting to the asset at the bottom. In this case, you are converting USDT to Bitcoin. You can select any other asset that you want to convert to another by clicking on this portion and using the search bar on top to search for any other asset that you own and you wish to convert. The asset at the bottom is the asset you'll be converting to. You can always toggle and change what asset you want like you did the first time. You can input the assets manually, or you select max, which is the total quantity of assets you own and wish to convert to another. Another way to spot trade is by selecting the spot option at the top part of the screen. Here you can either buy or sell at a fixed price or at the current market price. Limit option lets you set the price you want to buy and sell and not the current market price. You manually input the price you want to buy at and the quantity you want below it. You can select market to buy at the current market price and input the quantity of asset you want to trade for it. The same process is applied when you want to sell the assets that you have purchased. To sell the asset at a predetermined price of your choosing, you select limit. If you wish to sell at the current market price, you select market. You can slide the toggle to determine how many percent of the total quantity of assets you like to sell. Select the features option at the top of the screen. In features, you have your price, quantities, long or short, which is same thing as buy or sell. Just like in spot trading, you can select the market or the limit options. There are different margin modes, but we'll discuss only two: isolated and cross. Cross margin uses the entire account balance as collateral. Isolated margin only uses the amount of collateral assigned to that specific trade. You can adjust your leverage before taking a trade. Leverage is the ratio of amount borrowed to the amount invested. That is, if you choose a 100x leverage, it means you are allowed to trade 100 times your margin. After setting up your parameters to your choosing, you can now either long or short the market. Trades yet to be executed will be listed in orders, while executed trades that are still running will be listed under positions.